Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth to your Toyota 4Runner. First, make sure your vehicle is safely parked. Then, navigate to the Setup menu on your infotainment screen. From there, select Bluetooth and choose Add New Device. This will prepare your 4Runner to search for your phone. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few moments to complete, getting you ready for hands-free calls and music. Now grab your smartphone and open its Bluetooth settings, ensuring it's discoverable. Your 4Runner's screen should soon display your phone's name in the list of available devices. Select your phone, and a pairing code will appear on both your phone and the vehicle's display. Confirm that these codes match, and you're almost done. This step secures the connection between your devices. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips. Quick recommendation: just like connecting your phone to your 4Runner, you can bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's a fantastic way to enjoy music and more. Check the description below for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. After confirming the pairing code, your phone might ask for permissions to access contacts and audio. Grant these to ensure full functionality. To test, try playing some music or making a quick hands-free call. Once connected, your Toyota 4Runner will automatically recognize and pair with your phone whenever you enter the vehicle, making future drives seamless and enjoyable. It's that simple.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.